How to update seller profile on buybayan. Log in to seller account to access seller dashboard, where you can click on setting icon. Here, you can personalize your store by uploading a banner, profile picture, and updating your store name. You can also choose categories for your store to help customers find you faster. Enter your city, zip code, and country to make sure your address is accurate. Double-check that your address matches any documents you'll use for verification later on. Add your phone number. Now, set up your store hours. Choose the days you're open, set specific hours, and add custom messages for open or close times. If you're going on vacation, just enable vacation mode and add a personalized message for customers. Showcase your brand by adding a short biography, images, and a description of your store. This is where you can let your personality and brand message shine. Enable support options to make it easy for customers to reach you. You can add a general support button, specific product support buttons, and even customize the text on each support button to fit your needs. Then press Update Setting button to save all changes. Then click the Payment button to add and set up your bank transfer information so we can pay you directly. Fill in your bank details such as account holder name, account type, routing number, bank name, bank address, bank IBAN, and bank SWIFT code. Then save your information by pressing Add Account. Then go to the verification section. Press and upload a valid identification card for identity verification. For address verification, upload a document that matches the address you entered earlier. For company verification, add your business permit or BIR 2303 number. After submitting all these documents, go to the social profile section. Here, you can link all your social media profiles, such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Flickr, and Threads. Connecting your profiles helps increase your visibility, allowing customers to engage with your brand across multiple platforms and building trust in your store. Then press the Update Settings button. If you ever need to update your personal information or change your password, click on the profile icon at the bottom left of the dashboard. Here, you can modify details like your first name and last name, as well as update your password. Just enter your current password, type in the new one, and press Save Changes to confirm. Thanks for choosing buybayan. Happy selling!